is approximately 12:50. Please keep your seatbelt on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it is safe for you to get up. And please leave your things where they are until we have reached the gate. But if your phone is closed, you can take it out of airplane mode at this time. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors just inside the terminal, or you can also use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us here at Alaska Airlines and a proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure serving you today. And a special thank you to our mileage plan members and elites. It was nice to see you again. To join our award-winning program, visit alaskaair.com/mileage plan for more information. And whether this was your first time flying Alaska or you fly us often, thank you so much for flying with us this evening. And we hope you have a great rest of your morning. Please take care.